Alright, I've been saving these beautiful rum bottles for my pirate themed bar. They fit the vibe perfectly. So, what am I making? I'll let you guess. One thing's for sure, these are not drinking cups, way too bulky for that. Drop your guesses in the comments, let's see who gets it right. Now these bottles are oddly shaped, with really thick glass walls. I want a clean cut right below where it says original. I tried everything, hot and cold water, glass cutter, burning the thread, all the usual tricks. But nope, nothing worked. These bottles are built tough. Then one day, these came to my rescue. I ordered these green diamond cutting discs online. The link is in description. They come in a set of 3 and fit right onto the regular angle grinder. There is about half an inch of diamond grinding edge, and honestly, that's all I needed. So, workshop time. I mounted my grinder on the table so the disc sat exactly at the height where I wanted the cut. Since I'm dealing with glass, I didn't want anything flying around like a pirate cannonball. I added 2 small wooden blocks to hold the bottom once it separates. Simple but effective. Safety check. Eye protection, ear protection, glove on the active hand, and a mask to keep the glass dust out. Alright, let's get this baby rolling. And wow, this thing cut through the bottle like butter. Straight up 5 out of 5 for this product. Now you see what I meant about the thickness? This bottom piece is heavy. You could easily repurpose it as a paperweight or maybe a zombie defense tool, just saying. The edge was sharp, so it needed a bit of sanding. I used 220 grit sandpaper and simply rubbed the cut edge until it was smooth. I've got 4 more bottles to cut. For the project, you are still guessing. I'll give you some time to think. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the channel. I'll be back soon with the next update. Bye for now.
The love.